The new step simplifies and streamlines data entry in the activity creation form and roadmap steps by logically organizing and displaying the most relevant fields, depending on the actions currently required from the borrower. Adding an activity to the procurement plan is much easier in the new step. On the procurement plan page, click the Add New Activity link. Notice that this link is now available above the table for better accessibility. All fields on the activity creation form are now logically organized across 4 separate sections, so that the most important details are entered first, followed by more specific details. For example, the first section, Key Details, lets you select the procurement category and method, followed by details in other fields that become available based on your selections. The Related Information section allows you to enter other important details of the activity and generate a reference number. You can then enter more specific details, such as the project component, loan credit number, procurement classification, and locations in the Additional Information section. Finally, the Roadmap section allows you to create the original plan by selecting the milestone for the first roadmap step. You can refer to the Check Entries area on the right to identify sections where all mandatory fields have not been completed. For example, the green check icon next to Key Details indicates that the section is complete, while the red exclamation icon and the number 1 next to Additional Details indicates that one mandatory field is incomplete in that section. You can navigate back and forth between these sections by clicking Continue and Back. Note that each time you navigate, the details are automatically saved. Therefore, if you navigate away from the page or get disconnected, you can reopen the activity afterwards for editing. You do not need to re-enter the details all over again. All roadmap steps have been streamlined, so the borrower needs to enter only those details or perform those actions which are relevant to a specific roadmap step. As an example, this video demonstrates these in the Evaluation of Expression of Interest and Shortlist of Consultants roadmap step. Information in a roadmap step is now organized under 3 tabs: Documents, Datasheet, and Review. The Documents tab generally allows you to upload mandatory and supporting documents. For this roadmap step, you are required to upload the Borrower Terms of Reference document as the mandatory document. The Datasheet tab is available only for those roadmap steps that involve data entry into the datasheet. Step now makes this data entry much easier by displaying only those fields which are relevant to the roadmap step, rather than displaying the entire datasheet at once. For this roadmap step, you can shortlist or select suppliers and create joint ventures, if applicable. Note that for different roadmap steps, different sets of fields are displayed in this tab. The Review tab lets you handle review communications. It further simplifies the process by allowing you to perform only the actions that are relevant to the current status of the roadmap step. In this example, your default action is to send the Terms of Reference document for bank review to get a no objection. Therefore, the Review tab displays the Submit Activity Step to Bank form. Type a message under Submit Activity Step to Bank and click the Send button. After you have sent the document for bank review, you have the option to recall the document. Therefore, the Review tab displays the Recall Activity Step Review form. Type a message and click the Send button to recall the review.